Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix some websites cannot be opened in any browser. Now, to solve this problem, what you need to do at first is just go to your search. In here, search for proxy settings. Open up proxy settings, then just make sure manual proxy setup. If you have set up any manual proxy, just turn that off and try again. And it should work. And if it doesn't work, what you need to do is just close this. Then just go ahead and open up your browser. From here, go to the three dot icon. From here, just go to settings. Then just scroll all the way down on the left hand menu and go to about Chrome. From here, make sure your Chrome or your current browser is up to date. And after that, just close this. And after that, just go to your search button and search for view network connections. And in the best matches you'll find it, just open it. And after that, if you're using a Wi-Fi, you'll find your Wi-Fi here. But if you're using LAN, you'll find that here as well. For me, it's a LAN, so it's called Ethernet. I'm just gonna right-click on it. You can right-click on your Wi-Fi if you're using that, or WLAN. Then just click on Properties. Then from here, just go to Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4 and click on Properties. And make sure here the option Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. And this option, Obtain DNS server address automatically selected. Then just click on OK. Click on OK again. Then just close this. And after that, even if it's not fixed, the last method which you can do is just go ahead and reset your network. So just go here on your internet icon, right click on it and click on Network and Internet Settings. From here, click on Advanced Network Settings. From here, under More Settings, you'll find Network Reset, which resets all the network adapters to factory settings. Just expand this section and just go ahead and click on Reset Now. This is gonna reset all the network settings for you. Then just close this, then just go ahead and restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. And that is how to fix some websites not loading on any browser. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.